Imagine moving your crypto from Ethereum to Solana in seconds, tapping into DeFi, NFTs and gaming across blockchains like never before. But there's a kicker. Hackers stole over 2 billion from cross-chain bridges in 2022 alone. Stick around and discover how bridges like Wormhole and XLR are revolutionizing crypto and how to use them safely. Welcome to the future of blockchain. Cross-chain bridges are protocols that let you transfer assets or even NFTs between blockchains like Ethereum, Solana and Binance Smart Chain. Think of them as highways connecting isolated blockchain islands, enabling seamless data and asset sharing. Why does this matter? Because the Web3 ecosystem is exploding. Over 8 billion in assets are bridged monthly in 2025. Interoperability is the key to a multi-chain world where no blockchain is left behind. Here's how it works. Bridges use smart contracts to lock your assets on a chain like Ethereum and mint a wrapped version to another like Solana. For example, Wormhole's portal token bridge locks your Ethereum and creates wrapped Ethereum on Solana. When you want your original Ethereum back, the wrapped tokens are burned and the original is unlocked. It's like teleporting your crypto. XLR takes it further, with general message passing, letting smart contracts on different chains talk to each other, powering DeFi apps like never before. Take Osmosis, a Cosmos-based DeFi platform. It uses Wormhole's gateway to pull liquidity from Ethereum and Solana, letting users swap tokens across 23 plus chains with low fees. This is huge for DeFi, where flexibility means more opportunities to earn yield. But bridges aren't perfect. In 2022, Wormhole was hit by a massive 320 million hack. How? Hackers exploited a flaw in the Solana side of the bridge, minting 120,000 wrapped Ethereum without collateral. That's like printing fake money. The Binance bridge also lost 570 million the same year due to a flaw. These hacks made up 69% of all crypto thefts in 2022, totaling 2.66 billion. The problem? Bridges are high value targets because they hold massive total value locked. Polygon's bridge alone holds 2.8 billion. But the good news is security is improving. Wormhole now uses 19 Guardian nodes to verify transactions, and XLR's decentralized proof of stake system adds extra layers of protection. Always check for audited smart contracts and multi-sig setups before bridging. Ready to bridge your asset? Let's walk through using Wormhole's portal token bridge to send Solana from Solana to Ethereum network. Step 1. Connect your Solana wallet, for example like Phantom. Step 2. Select Solana as your token. Step 3. Choose Ethereum as your target chain. Step 4. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Your Solana gets locked on Solana and wrapped Solana appears on Ethereum in minutes. Pro tip: check for liquid markets on the target chain to ensure your tokens are usable. Let's talk top bridges in 2025. Wormhole dominates with over 7 billion in Ethereum bridge volume, thanks to its NFTs and token supply across 23 blockchains. XLR connects 45 chains, including Cosmos, with its AXL token powering validator rewards. All bridge core specialize in stablecoin transfers, offering passive yield during bridging. Tokenomics matter. EXL's proof of stake model incentivizes security, while Wormhole's governance ensure fast upgrades. My tip is choose a bridge based on fees, speed and supported chains. Cross-chain bridges are the backbone of a multi-chain future, connecting DeFi, NFTs and more. But with great power comes great responsibilities. Stay safe by researching bridge security. Which bridge are you using? Wormhole, XLR or another one? Let me know, drop it in the comments, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. The multi-chain revolution is here, don't miss it. Till then, see you in the next video.